Alright, installing the brake line for the very front left driver's side. So this goes, it's a little short brake line, I mean that's it. So it starts right here, and then it goes along the frame, and then in here. So right here is a hole for the screw, right there. So you've got the bracket and your screw. All right, there you go. Pretty easy. That's it. So again, here, down, bracket, on the other side. Okay, that's it. I didn't tighten this down all the way, just a little bit, just so I can get it installed. And then when I go to install the master cylinder, I'll do a little bit of adjustments there, but future videos on that.